Now let me ask you something. Which is easier, saving $300,000 for retirement? And to be honest, you're going to have to save a lot more than that nowadays. Or building a $10 monthly income stream that grows over time. I wanted you to see this written out plainly, okay? With GDI, every member pays $10 a month. When somebody joins through you, you earn $1 from them. Okay, now here's the powerful part. If the network grows, okay, to just 3,000 people, that's over 3,000 a month in residual income. And here's the catch. The smart rotator system that we use does the selling and telling for you, and they can bring up to 10 members and place them below you if you just stay active. And staying active is very, very simple. I'll go over that with you. Okay, and our smart rotator helps you grow. That is why it's being called the $10 retirement plan. So you click the link below this and take a look at that. Now let me show you the 3 things you need to qualify to get the 10 paid GDI sign up. Okay, here are the 3 things right here. So upload your downline report, which takes like 2 minutes to have it done. Once a week you need to do it. Set up a backlink. Once the backlink is set up, you're done with it. And I have a video that shows you how to do that easily. Okay, the one thing that takes a little bit of time is sending hits, 1,500 hits, a link to a link that you get, which is your personal link. So if somebody joins from your link, you get that sign up. It's not like other team builds where somebody else gets a sign up from your advertising. No, you send, and I would suggest send 1,500 to 2,000 hits a week to your link. Okay, and here is what, for 2 signups, you're qualified as soon as you join. 4, got to just update your downline report, and it's so simple. 1 backup link is for 7 signups plus send 750 hits. But if you're going to do that, you might as well do the 1,500 hits per week sent to your personal URL, which is, they have amazing resources in the Smart GDI Rotator back office. Now, the Smart Rotator is an AI rotator, but it only grows GDI, and I like that because it's focused on that. Okay? And those are the 3 things that you need to qualify. It is simple. This is how you can grow your downline. And if you think getting 5 people who through this and then they stay active and they get 5 and they get 5 can build up to almost 4,000. Just think how many 10 people who get 10 who, now this is going to take time. It's not going to be overnight. This is not get rich quick. This is going to take time. But boy, is it worth the time. Okay? Now click the link below and go through the $10 retirement plan. And you can start it with a 7-day free trial. Okay, and then again, it's only $10 a month after that.